Good day everyone, my name is J. Mark L. Calambro and today I'll guide you through transmission media impartment, a comprehensive look at data communication challenges in network system. We'll cover transmission media basics, key design factors, bandwidth, impartments like attenuation, distortion, and noises. First is what is transmission media. Transmission media are the physical pathways through which data signals travel from sender to receiver. The quality and characteristics of this media directly impacts how effectively data is communicated in networks and communication systems. Ang key point nito is the choice of transmission media affects the bandwidth capacity, signal quality, distance coverage, and overall system performance. And here are the 4 critical design factors. First is bandwidth. The higher the bandwidth, the faster data transmission rates. 2 is signal quality. By maintaining the signal integrity during transmission. 3 is distance capability. It refers to how far the signals can travel effectively. And 4 is cost practicality. By means balancing performance with implementation cost. Next is understanding bandwidth. Bandwidth refers to the range of frequencies a transmission medium can support. The rule: when all other factors remain constant, the greater the bandwidth of medium, the higher the data transmission rate of a signal. The fundamental principle governs how much information can be transmitted per unit of time. Next is what is transmission impartment. When a signal travels through transmission medium, it may not arrive exactly as it was transmitted. The definition of it: transmission impartment occurs when the received signal differs from the transmitted signal, causing the quality to degrade. This is one of the most critical challenges in communication engineering. And here are the 3 main causes. Attenuation: it refers to a loss of signal strength over distance. 2 is distortion. It changes in signal shape and timing. 3 is noise, addition of unwanted signals. Attenuation of loss of energy. Definition is: attenuation is the loss of energy as a signal travels through transmission medium. It refers to signal strength decreases with increasing distance. The medium absorbs and dissipates signal energy and requires amplification or repeaters for a long distance. Impact of it is weak signals may become unrecognizable at the receiver, causing data loss or errors. 2 is distortion, shape and timing changes. Definition is: distortion occurs when the signal shape is altered during transmission. Why that happens? Different frequency components travel at different speeds through the medium, arriving at the different times. It creates delay distortion, timing misalignment, causes received signal to have different shape than original, and it makes accurate signal interpretation difficult. And noise. Unwanted signal. Definition of it is: noise is any unwanted signal added to the data during transmission. External electromagnetic interference or EMI, and thermal noise from the medium and components, crosstalk from the adjacent communication channels, and it combines with original signal, corrupting the message. The challenges is, unlike attenuation, noise can be simply removed by amplification. And that's all.